Hello.
Hey, welcome to Poor Decisions with Penny and Jeff.
I'm Penny.
I'm Jeff.
Duh. Tonight we are making one of my favorite drinks, the Negroni. I'm in my Negroni era officially, and you
And
found a new recipe for a different kind of Negroni, right?
yeah, so I'm going to make a white Negroni for me. I'm not as crazy about Campari's a little on the bitter side for me. So
That's what I like.
we're going to try something a little different.
Okay,
All
you're going to
right.
start with the regular Negroni. So
Whoops.
we should probably start by saying that we alter the recipe a little bit because we don't like drinks as sweet as normal.
Correct. Yep.
So the real recipe calls for equal parts of gin, Campari,
Campari
and
and sweet vermouth.
sweet vermouth. And we have backed off on the Campari and the sweet vermouth to let the gin kind of shine through a little bit, because otherwise you don't taste the gin at all, which some people like it that way, and
So
I like it better.
yeah, so we actually run two parts gin, one part Campari, one part vermouth.
Yes, instead of equal parts.
Yep.
Grandma's parched.
Okay. Get out.
Okay. So you are using different OXO
Yeah.
measure
I love this
tonight.
one because it sets right in all the mixing glasses. It sets in there and lets them drain while you
Fancy.
love that thing.
And it has
All
good
right.
markings on the
It does have good markings on it. So we are going to do 2 ounces of gin because she's a big girl drinker.
Mm-hmm.
1 ounce of Campari, which gives it great color.
It's so pretty. Smells good. Campari, some of the bitters are made from rhubarb, right? You use rhubarb from
I'm not sure on Campari. They
one
use
one of the
the root the uh
sounds like two
gen
words. Ginseng?
genti root
We'll
genti
get
root.
back to you on that.
Yeah, but a lot of the bitters are that way. They use that
Bitter roots.
bitter root. Yes.
Okay. All right.
All right.
Okay, and I think you have to show them your favorite spoons too, because they're kind of a deal.
My spoons.
Yeah, they're kind of a big deal to you.
Yeah, these bar spoons. They're awesome.
Maybe not drip the alcohol one across the counter, but here's one that's dry, then I can show them a little
Yeah.
bit better. So it's got the twisties on it,
Yep.
which I think the biggest point of having a bar spoon is if you have a drink that you want to keep separated, and so it has the different
Yeah,
layers
you
to
can
it.
pour it down the spoon and it
Yeah,
just circles around and
just
lays it on
goes.
top or
Yeah,
sinks it to the bottom, whichever.
but you like to stir with it. It's a really easy
Yeah,
stir.
that's what they're made for, stirring. And you
Who
want
would have
to
thunk it?
stir the exact right amount of time, which is when it's cold. It's like somewhere between 20 to 30 seconds.
Of course you do.
And that dilutes it a little bit, and so it's not all spirits.
Makes you look all fancy.
Yeah. Then
Oh, yeah.
this, I believe, the original is to be served in a frosted
Martini glass.
glass without cube. But she always likes a big cube.
I like a cube. I've seen it both ways in restaurants when you order it, but they usually ask you if you want it up or on the rocks.
And
And
she's always one for an orange peel.
I love an orange peel in a Campari drink in general, but especially in a Negroni.
Just
So
express the
yeah,
oils for the top.
stick it in there. There we go. That's what she said. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, that's
That's a
nice.
good one.
Yeah, that's a good one. Okay. Oh, and talk about the Dolan too, because this is a different
Yeah, this is Dolan
sweet
Sweet
vermouth.
Vermouth, and it's
Slightly less sweet than...
You can usually find it just about anywhere, but it's kind of a favorite for a Negroni.
Let's show. It's a little less sweet than the, what's the other brand?
Well, there's lots of other brands, but
Yeah, but the one that you see everywhere, that's a sweeter vermouth.
yeah, and I don't think it's quite as rich flavored as
This
the
has a
Dome.
lot of aromatics with it.
The other one
nice.
the other one that's it's a little more expensive is Antica, which a lot of people use, and
I haven't tried that one personally.
I've read that people typically like this one better in Negronis, and sometimes they like the Antica and other stuff, maybe a Manhattan or something like that.
Okay.
So,
Well,
yeah.
this is really nice.
So I don't like mine. So you could, in fact, I should try that sometime. Campari is too bitter for me. I think you could try to make one with Aperol instead, because Aperol is not as bitter. And
It wouldn't be a Negroni then.
well, I know it's technically not a Negroni.
We
but
could call something else.
it's a spirit-forward cocktail made with gin. That. All right.
One thing you'll probably notice as we do these more is that you like to be very precise, and I'm more of an ish girl. I just kind of ish it.
That's a good happy medium. We'll just
Okay.
stick it in the
So
middle.
you do you, boo. You just pour it the way you like it.
Exactly. If you like it on ice, put it on ice.
Drink it till you like it.
Okay, I'm going to do the same ratios.
If you're over 21 and not driving, you know.
2 to 1.
Yeah. You're going to do what? 2 to 1?
2 to 1. The same with the gin and the other.
Okay.
And this one, we're going to use Suze as the Amaro.
That's fun.
That's the bitterness. And it uses that root. That's the French. That's the French. That's the French name. Gentil. I forget what it is. Anyway, so it's a bitter.
We'll do more research.
Also, very cool color. And you.
Oh yeah.
It's almost.
I'm gonna hold this up when you pour it so that
it's almost neon.
We haven't got our setup quite figured out yet. Oh, look at that! It looks like Mountain Dew.
Yeah.
It's really pretty.
And then, like the other one, there's a sweet component. Actually, the Suze is sweet also. It's sweet and bitter. Campari is the same way. It's sweet and bitter. The vermouth is sweet. There's a Lillet Blanc is what white Negroni usually has in it. And it is a fortified French wine, Bordeaux wine, with quinine in it, just like in tonic. So that makes it kind of bitter too.
It smells earthy.
So the Cocchi, this is Cocchi Americano, and it's a little bolder. It's got a little bit more stronger quinine in it, and it's also sweet, but maybe not quite as sweet as the Lillet Blanc. So those are two different options you can use. We always keep them in the refrigerator. Now they're sweating. You should always keep vermouths or fortified wines in the refrigerator.
Good tip. Learn that one the hard way.
Yeah, they keep a.
They get oxidized if you leave them out.
This is fortified, so it keeps pretty well, but it's better refrigerated.
Because you only use a small portion for each drink, so it gets more air to it and it gets oxidized.
Okay. I'm gonna stir for the exact right amount of time.
Okay.
Just until it's cold.
Okay, I'm gonna have a drink while he's doing that because ain't nobody got time for that.
Right. And pour mine on a cube also. Okay.
You're gonna cross-contaminate my drink with your drink?
Yeah.
That's not normal for him.
Just the strainer.
So pretty.
And that is a white Negroni. Or Mountain Dew.
Or Mountain Dew. Of course.
Oh,
No garnish?
I should put orange peel in mine too.
Is it orange that you put with it, or
Actually,
lemon?
I meant
Or...
like lemon with this one.
Okay, that makes sense. Actually, I bet lime would be nice in there too.
You know what? Are we out of lemons?
Are we out of lemons?
We might be. Ah, what a grapefruit.
Grapefruit.
Let's do a little.
Okay, that's your new toy that you love too. Show them the OXO. That's an OXO, right?
It's not OXO.
It's not?
No, it's a cheaper brand, but they work really well. I think partly because it's sharp.
Oh, it's new.
Spring Chef.
Spring Chef.
I think 2 for $4 on Amazon.
Peeler. 2 for $4.
I think so.
Okay. All right.
But they work really well. And the spoons, 2 for $4 in. So I have 6 or 8 now.
Of course he does. Do you want to taste this one?
I like the grapefruit.
Do you want to taste mine?
Yeah.
Or are you like that opposed to Campari?
It's definitely more bitter.
It's definitely more sweet. And it has like a baking spice to it. Cinnamony.
It's probably the
Nutmeg.
maybe the Suze. There's a bunch of herbs and stuff in there. So.
Well, that's really interesting. So yeah, give that a try because it's nice. It's just different. Okay. Cheers to Negronis. Cheers, friends. Also helps if the orange doesn't go up your nose.